Hi guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and give you a quick recording on how to get some Nearpod lessons for science onto your Canvas. And if you've never used Nearpod before, I'll go ahead and start explaining it like straight from the beginning. The first thing you're going to do is you're gonna go to your Clever. And on Clever, you're gonna search for your app Nearpod. Now, if you've never used it before, the actual app to it would probably be under your request center. You can search through it like this here, or you can just type in Nearpod on a search button. I already have it favorited, so I have it here. And then you're going to click on Nearpod. And once you get onto your home page, you're going to have what you can see your library. In order to have the library, you need to save different Nearpod lessons onto your library. So let's say, see, I have here Miss Salmon's Objects in the Sky. Second grade is they're working on Earth's movements, and third grade was working on plants. So what you can do, you can save them here, but before, if you don't have anything saved, what the first thing that I would suggest for you to do is to go to Nearpod Lesson Library. Once you're here, you can put, let's say, Objects in the Sky. And we have this one here. Now this one here says, this is one lesson. When you look at this one, it says 55 lessons, K through 2. So this would be all year long. I'm going to pick this one here, Objects in the Sky. Once it loads, it gives you a chance to preview. It has polls. It's pretty much self-explanatory. Has links to videos. The videos play right there in the lesson. This one has 21 slides. It'll ask you to draw. They'll be able to draw on the bottom or right. Questions for quizzes, review, another quiz, and you'll be able to see their responses. So if you do decide to pick this one, the first thing you're going to look at is this bottom box right here, the green one. Click it, and it'll show in your library. You're saving it to your library. Once you have it shared to your library, it gives you the option of creating a live lesson or a student-paced lesson. And before that, let's say you previewed it and you're like, okay, Rick, thanks a lot, but I really don't want to use your slide. You can hit edit and take it out, or you can just keep it just like that and use it. So let's say I want to do a live lesson. This is if you're in your team meetings and you're sharing your desktop to the students. All you would do is press live lesson. They can still follow you, and you have join the class code or lesson code. I like to write it down just in case. But if you decide you want them to work on it throughout the week, then you can copy the link. You hit link, you hit copy, you close this out. I have it ready. Now you want to put it on your Canvas. You're going to go to your Canvas. And there are two different ways that you can do it. You can either put it, let me go into mine. I can play around with it here. You can either put it under your announcements, or you can put it where your overview is. So let's say March 30th. A lot of you wrote what you'll be working on this week. So you can either place it here. You could say, guys, join. For science, you'll be learning all about objects in the skies, or you'll be learning about plants. Please join the Nearpod lesson through Clever, and then you will provide the hyperlink here. Or you can go into announcements, and you can create an announcement. So you could put, I created one for grade 3. We could look at it. You go in here, and you shared this. They're going to click it. The students will click it, and it should take it, hyperlink them directly to the Nearpod lesson. Now, there we go. So for me, I find this one easier. It's a little bit more work for you, but once you get used to it, it'll be easier. I'll show you how you can put it on your announcements. But the only thing that you do have to tell the kids is that they have to first go on Clever, sign on, and then go into their Nearpod and be signed on Nearpod. Then they go to their Canvas and click the hyperlink. So let's say I want to create the announcement for kindergarten. So I'm going to press announcement, click on that, and I'm going to put science Nearpod. I'm going to put kindergarten, but you can put week of for the whole week, and then you're going to put class, please be sure to log in first on Clever to Nearpod. Once you are logged in, you may click the hyperlink below. We don't even have to put hyperlink, the link below. I will be reviewing your work on Nearpod. And then, remember we had copied it already? You right click your mouse and you hit paste. And if you don't see it blue, just hit enter, and now it's blue. So once you have it, now you have the Science Nearpod. You go all the way to the bottom and you hit save. Now you should have the announcement for them. If you decide to put it on under the modules, you would have to create a module, and basically you would be basically writing in the same information. So I think the announcements, or on the overview, if you put the link on the overview for science for the week and you put this in, that'll be like a great start. And they can work with it or work on it throughout the whole week. Or if you feel like they're going too fast and this was not enough, then you can assign some brain pop, and I'll show you that on the next video. So if you have any questions, just go ahead and text me, call me. I'm here, guys. All right. Bye.